Okay, good. Good morning, everyone. My name is Naofumi TAKAMATSU from GSI. Today I'm going to talk about new RINEX. I'm going to talk about new RINEX preprocessing software RINGO for multi-GNSS data processing. Firstly, there is a great need for multi-purpose GNSS preprocessing software. We GSI have a huge GNSS cores network which consists of more than 1,300 stations. The GNSS data are accumulated every day and they need to be stored in the server. So then the data need to be properly preprocessed, which includes merging and downsampling and editing and quality control. So easy to use preprocessing software is essential for our routine operation. One major background to develop our original software is the end of the development of the tech software. The tech supports the RINEX after version 2. However, the updates of RINEX are continued. As you know, the RINEX 4 was released last year, adding more and more satellite systems and measurement signals. For this reason, we developed a new RINEX preprocessing software. The developed software is RINGO, which means apple in Japanese. RINGO software supports multiple platforms, Windows, macOS, Linux, and Unix. RINEX 2, 3, and 4 are supported and fully capable of processing multi-GNSS data. And RINGO is very fast. RINGO is written in Go language and compiled for each platform. Now RINGO is available for free of charge in GSI website. RINGO implements subcommand interface, which provides simple and readable syntax. Available subcommands are shown here, which includes editing and merging, which is achieved by merge command, and quality checking, which is achieved by QC command, and also various kinds of correction is conducted by such as clock correction and ionosphere correction. Also, the results can be visualized by a viewer command, and also format exchange is possible, such as BINEX and RTCM are applicable for this software. And the command is supposed to be typing RINGO at first, and then which is followed by the subcommand, as I mentioned now. And then put the input files, and then you can gain output in a standard format. Here are examples of RINGO. As you can see, various kinds of results can be visualized. But what I'd like to emphasize here is a viewer command. In this viewer commands, viewer subcommands use HTML file, HTML interactive file, and you can mouse over the value, and you can gain an exact value by mouse overing each point. And this is my conclusion. And we developed a new RINEX preprocessing software RINGO, which provides an essential feature for daily preprocessing multi-GNSS data. You can access RINGO via this HTML or this QR code. Thank you so much.